In a vast ocean, far from any land, there lived a wise old halibut named Hal. His body shimmered with colors that danced in the sunlight, and his eyes, two deep pools of wisdom, held the secrets of the sea. One day, a young octopus named Otis approached Hal. "Oh, wise halibut," said Otis, "I've heard tales of your wisdom. I seek your guidance. My family and I have always lived in harmony with the sea, but now, a strange creature has appeared." Hal listened intently as Otis described the creature, its menacing presence causing unease among the sea creatures. "Do not fear, young octopus," Hal said, his voice as soothing as the waves. "I will help you." Hal gathered the creatures of the sea and shared his wisdom. "We must not fear the unknown," he said. "It is our fear that gives power to the stranger. Instead, let us embrace it, learn from it, and if necessary, adapt." The creatures listened, their fear slowly subsiding as they pondered Hal's words. With newfound courage, they approached the strange creature, not with hostility, but with curiosity. To their surprise, the creature was not a threat but a lost traveler. It had come from a distant land, seeking shelter in the safety of the ocean. The creatures welcomed the traveler, and a new friendship was formed. From that day forward, the ocean was not a place of fear, but a place of unity, understanding, and growth. And the wise halibut, his legend spreading far and wide, continued to guide and teach, reminding all that fear is a choice, and wisdom is power.